Hello friends, good evening all. Welcome to my channel Dr. White for Students. The purpose of the video for the better students and better citizens of the country. Today's topic for the discussion, responsibility and the decision making that makes a person what he is and what he will be. The responsibility. Many times we attribute our success to ourselves. That means we are responsible for our success. When we have a failure, we say that no, my friends are responsible for my failure, or the parents, or the environment, and so on. You will be listing so many things. You play blame game. No, it should not happen. Whatever happens to you, you are solely responsible for the things. Similarly, even the decision making, if you want to take a decision, there is no problem in asking even 1,000 people. Take the advice and you can think, rethink for even 1,000 times. There is no fault. But if you come to a concrete decision, you should not step back. And you should realize that you will be responsible for your decision, be a failure or it may be a success. There is a saying, if a person is perfect, the world will be perfect for him. Here, I would like to share a story. So there was a politician, who was in fact a busy politician. He had a son who was very mischievous and he never used to keep quiet and will be doing one or the other mischievous things. One day, so happened, so his wife went for shopping and leaving her son at home, and in fact this politician had a busy schedule and in fact he wanted to do some work. So what he made, like he was thinking like how to make my son silent and quiet for some time. Then he went to his room and brought a book wherein you could see a world map. He plucked that page and he torn into pieces and he threw on the table of that boy. And he told, son, if you are able to rearrange these torn pieces into the world map as usual, world map as it was earlier, so I'll give you $100. So saying so that person went to his room and he was busy with his work. Within few minutes, there was a knock at the door, and for his surprise, his son came with the world map as it was earlier. So he thought like, so my son is so, brilliant that he could arrange the world map as it was. Then he asked his son, so son, how could you do it? Then his son said, Dad, earlier I had seen that page. There was a picture of a person behind the world map. So I put a white paper on the backside of that picture, and then I arranged all the pieces to make a perfect person's picture. I joined all the pieces, so the world map became perfect. That's the thing. If we are perfect, definitely world will be perfect for us. So we have to take the responsibility and take the decisions of what we make in life. So thank you for watching my video. I think you like this video. If you really like, please do share, comment and subscribe. Thank you all.